In this module I want to discuss how to determine the output of a water main. And this will be useful for fire service to be able to determine how much water is available from a particular water main. They could then decide if they needed to supplement their water supplies by other means. And the formula to determine the output from a water main is as follows. This is a formula. The output equals L times square root of SP divided by SP minus RP, where your output is in litres a minute, your L is your flow in litres a minute, SP is the static pressure and RP is your running pressure. Now the static pressure is the pressure when there's no flow. In other words, if you put a pressure gauge on a standpipe, open it up, without flow it will show you the static pressure. Then if you opened it up fully and then water was flowing and then looked at the gauge, this is your running pressure. So this is how you work it out. You do your static pressure first with no flow, open the hydrant up fully and then you do your running pressure. Let's do an example. A firefighter connects a standpipe to a 125mm pipe. The pressure gauge reads 4 bar when the hydrant is opened. Then a hose is run out and a nozzle is fitted with water flowing at 1000 litres a minute, and the pressure when the water's flowing is 2.8 bar. So that's the running pressure. Determine the maximum output of the main. Well, this is a formula here. If you put in your known variables, the maximum output of this main is 1825.74 litres a minute. Let's do another example. A firefighter connects a standpipe to a 200mm pipe. The pressure gauge reads 5 bar when the hydrant is opened, but there's no flow. Then a hose is run out and a nozzle fitted with water flowing at 1850 litres a minute. The pressure when the water's flowing is 3.6 bar. Determine the maximum output of the main. Well, this is a formula here. If you put all known variables in there, you get a maximum output of the main at 3,496 litres per minute. Let's do another example. A firefighter connects a standpipe to a 150mm pipe. The pressure gauge reads 2.8 bar when the hydrant's open. Then a hose is run out and a nozzle fitted with water flowing at 987 litres a minute. The pressure when the water's flowing is 1.76 bar. Determine the maximum output of the main. Well, if you put in the known variables in here, as you can see, the maximum output of this main is 1619 litres per minute.